Alright, welcome back guys. Today we will be learning about solving two-step inequalities, which is chapter 4.4 in our textbook. And let's start with some easy warm-up questions. Make sure you go ahead and write the title. Alright, two-step equations is just the same as equations. Two-step inequalities is solving the same way as two-step equations. So first thing we want to do is we want to isolate the variable. We want to get rid of the 2, positive 2, so we subtract 2 to both sides. So that's 0. Okay, so that's less than 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And then you bring down the x over 4, right? Okay, now we have x over 4 less than negative 1. You want to get rid of the 4 by multiplying 4 to both sides, and then we're left with x is less than negative 4. Okay, so you want to undo what you see. You see it add 2, subtract 2. You see divide by 4, you multiply both sides by 4. Okay, and here we go. And here is negative 4. And it goes to the, let me go ahead and reset. It's an open circle because the answer cannot be 4, and it goes to the left. Alright, here's number 2. What you want to do to both sides is, you guessed it, you add 3 because we see subtract 3, right? Just like solving equations. So this is 0 greater than or equal to, that's 4. Bring down the 2x plus 0. So now we have 2x is greater than 4. So what do you do to both sides? Yep, you divide by 2 because that's the coefficient. Then you're left with x is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so the answer can be equal to 2, so we're going to shade in our circle. And it's going to the right because these numbers are greater than. And there's our 2 warm-up questions. Okay, all right, let's take a look at our, we'll do 3 examples today. All right, so what do you want to do? First, we see subtract 7. Right, we want to leave the number with 6y. We'll leave that at the end. Let's move the constant first. Move the constant. So, what? No, not add 8. Sorry, why did I write that? So add 7. Let me zoom out a little bit. So that is 0 greater than 12. Again, bring down the 6y. So now we have 6y is greater than 12. And we know to divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 6. And then we get y is greater than 2. Okay. All right. So let's graph. So here's 2. And we want to make sure our circle stays open and it goes to the right because it's greater than. Okay, there it is. All right, let's try another one. All right, so now we see positive 4. We want to subtract 4 to both sides. That's 0. Bring down the negative 3d is greater than or equal to 15. Again, we want to get rid of the coefficient. This time it's negative 3. So what do you do with this inequality? We have to, yeah, you guessed it. We have to reverse the inequality. We proved that on the other day, why we have to reverse the symbol, or else when we test our solutions, it would not be true. So d is less than or equal to negative 5. Okay. negative 5 is less than or equal to, shade in our circle, and it goes to the left. So let's write, don't forget to reverse the symbol when dividing by a negative. All right. Okay, let's do one more last example for today. Okay. All right, since again, get rid of the constant, so we want to subtract 8 greater than 1. And this is plus w over negative 4. Again, we want to get rid of negative 4. We multiply by negative 4. Okay. And on this side, we get w. Remember, we flipped the inequality because we're multiplying by a negative, right? Or dividing by a negative. And that is negative 4. So w is less than negative 4. So let's find negative 4 here. Okay, and it's an open circle. The answer cannot be negative 4 and goes to the left. There you go. And that's it. And these are your, how many examples? We have 5 examples for today. All right, guys. Good job. I'll see you later.